My name is Gourav Sani from Scottsdale, Arizona. My store is there. We have pretty similar location, basically 10 mile away from the same location. Yeah, I bought it 2 stores. So Dickey BBQ, I really want to stay in the restaurant business for a long time. And we had a restaurant before as well. So and Dickey's a more better future-wise. I see a lot of good stuff to learn. My family does smoke, but I never did. But I learned a lot of good stuff to be great barbecue-wise here. Experience is good. We learn a lot of good stuff in the kitchen. They teach her temperature-wise, time-wise, cooking-wise. Everything is very nice. Totally confident on all the learned part. Serving-wise, meal-wise, yeah. Me and my wife will be there for the both location, and I already have very good team right now there. We're all gonna be making more successful. I would really wanna be grow more for the same Dickey business. I'm gonna be the pit master, 100%. Yes, sir. Cutting meat, chicken, sausage, brisket is as well too. I wanna be in the front face for the fish. Yeah, I personally will be there. I'm gonna do all the marketing for myself every day in the morning. Post things. Yeah. Scottsdale is more growing area, more industry-wise or office-wise. There's lot of things we need to promote because most of the let's say in our communities, they don't know some of the parties Dickey's there. So we need to promote all those things. We need to give them good taste, flavor. We're gonna give them some kind of promotions or. I'm ready to open, sir. I want as soon as possible, but we still have to wait until 4 first. I did I think Red Eagle pit I name on my pit. Yeah. So which is